Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today is February 16, Monday night, 7 p.m. Um, Hope you had a good weekend, extended weekend. Today was President's Day, so the markets was closed. Um, well, at least the stock market, futures was open up until a certain time, I forget. But yeah, hopefully you guys had a good week and, ready to get back into it, new opportunities. Uh, New trades, new ideas, just a clean slate to prove ourselves this week. Starting off with NQ today, I'm going to remove all these, and I'm really focused on right here on the daily. I mean, let me just look at the weekly real quick. Not much on the weekly. I mean, we have this consolidation where we sweep the highs and then from there start moving lower towards a market structure shift at this low. But right now, what I'm seeing is on the daily, we have this bearish FEG right here, an FEG created on the way down, and a new range would be this high to this low, which puts us there as premium, and then even another range would be this high to this low, which puts us at around this bearish order block and this inverted level that um, well, actually not inverted, this bearish FEG that we've visited multiple times. Now, these two levels are what I'm watching for right now. Potentially move up here, from there move lower, or if we continue that move higher, then I'm looking for a reaction off of this and then move lower. But then, if we do continue higher, then I'd like to perhaps see these highs being, oops, I like to see these highs maybe coming into play, and then seeing if we'd maybe want to find a move lower from that bearish order block right here. Um, but yeah, I mean, right now I'm pretty bearish, just following the trend, just waiting to see if we have a retracement into premium, and then from there look to short. Um, that's pretty much it for NQ right now. Obviously, it'll be a lot more clear what we want to do come tomorrow. We can reassess and see whether or not maybe we came down for this rejection block low and then move lower. Maybe now it doesn't make as much sense to move back up into this FEG. Or maybe we look and it traded into this FEG and it started creating structure, a bearish structure moving lower. That would help us identify that we are bearish and that we can start, setting up bearish trading opportunities and such. So I think it's very important to see what Tuesday is going to bring. Obviously, I'm going to definitely show up tomorrow and definitely look to get involved if there's something that presents itself. I mean, but yeah, for now we're just watching for that, and then everything will be a lot more clear come um, tomorrow. Looking at the dollar itself, it's starting to kind of be bullish from this level here that we went into last week. So we had this bearish FEG, we move lower from it, then we create this bullish FEG on the way up, we trade into it, and now we're moving higher from it, and then we're also inside of this bearish FEG here. Um, so I'm interested to see what we do. Uh, I maybe something like move up higher into this bearish FEG, and then from there continue lower, or we get a move lower for these lows, and then from there maybe a pop higher. We'll have to watch and see. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm watching for right now on the dollar. I mean, again, we'll have a lot more to talk about hopefully tomorrow. And something I didn't mention also is there is FOMC meeting minutes this Wednesday, and not the actual Fed meeting, but well, I'm sorry, not the actual like FOMC, but the meeting minutes. Looking at ZB broke structure and it's been going higher. It's at this high here. I want to see how we're eventually going to align with NQ. Maybe at this projection block, we are starting to see some type of bearishness, and maybe this was already enough for Monday manipulation, and then there we can continue lower. Um, so yeah, maybe we get a move back into discount here. If we don't put, if we I'm sorry, invert this FEG right here, and then potentially I'll look for this FEG, and then if we invert this one, then I definitely would like to see maybe a move back down to the bullish order block with this overlapping breaker and this equilibrium level, as well as just moving back into the range. On the other hand, though, maybe we find support off of this FEG, and then from there we continue higher from these highs through FEG, and maybe we move higher from this high from this FEG as well. So these are all ideas I'm watching for right now. Again, it'll be a lot more clear after we let an actual day play out. Hope you found this insightful. Take care. Be safe. Oops.